salty chicken skin. That looks like a solid chip. The Borough Market tour continues. We've found ourselves at Wyndham House. Do chicken, roast chicken, rotisserie chicken. Man, I love fresh cooked roast chicken. Now they've got wings at the front, they do different burgers. And probably the star of the show here. Look at these chips. I've got skin on. What is this? Salt, chicken skin, salt. Chicken skin. You might make it. Look at that. Just look at that. Crumbled, salty chicken skin. That looks like a solid chip. Next to it, I've got myself a fresh roast chicken burger, too, with some salsa, sweet chili and mayo, and I've got myself some Mexican Madness chicken wings, which they sell the other side at like a poultry butcher at the front. So, what about this for a lunch? I've got a drink in my back pocket. I made it. They sell drinks. Shit selection drinks though. Of what? Of you. So it turns out he didn't want to be filmed. So let's go first with these Mexican Madness wings. I'm going to be brutally honest. They look a little bit dry. However, the flavour should pull these through. Okay. There's a bit of sauce underneath. Dry on top. Oh, delicious. Got a bit of spice with them. Interesting. Strong, fiery, punchy flavour to that. It's like a chilly, intense chilly kick afterwards. Not too hot, but very intense. Interesting. Felt like that was a really good description.
Yeah.
Right, let's start chopping around and get some of these chips. Look at that chips. Chicken skin salt that they make themselves. Oh, look at that! Look.
Oh.
Using the chips as a spoon to spoon the chicken skin salt. Very salty.
You did have quite a lot on that chip.
Okay, maybe I did. Let me try another one. Much better.
Yeah.
This is definitely a less is more type thing. The second chip, that wonderful chicken skin aroma, flavour with your chip, and it is got a lot of salt in there as well. Chips are really well cooked as well. Very, very nice. Now, if I have my chicken burger, I feel like this is going to go everywhere. That is my chicken burger. Look at that. We've got mayo in there, sweet chili, salsa on top, pulled chicken that's done just fresh just for me now. Right, you ready?
You've got that. It's all over you.
Is it?
Yeah.
First impression of that, I can nail this. Chicken, sensational. Bun, tastes a little bit stale. A little bit dry. Not much. That's tough to bite into. Not stale, a bit stiff. Stale. The chicken is absolutely beautiful. The sweet chili and the mayonnaise. Sorry, sweet chili and the mayo combo with the chicken. Incredible. It's just good. Award-winning good. Possible favourite? Yes. Drink watch. Are you ready? Don't get excited. Diet Coke. That's all they had. Coke or Diet Coke. Really chilled. crack it open. Here we go. Some drinks just bring it all together. Delicious. Right. Wyndham House chicken. Decent that. Didn't bowl me over. The chicken, so it was really, really nice in the burger. Chips were sensational. I'm gonna give this a 7.3. Decent score. Like it. On to the next one. And that is a review.